If you're an immigrant living in the U.S., chances are you have been affected or know someone who has been affected by deportation. The Haitian community is among the most affected by this new war on immigrants led by ICE. Haiti is unable to handle the return of so many of its citizens because of poverty, political unrest, and the most recent natural disasters that have caused more than 800 deaths and creating nearly $1 billion in damage. The country is also relying on more than $1 billion yearly aid from its people residing here, which could dramatically decrease if 30,000 were to return home. In this special report, we'll take a look at the TPS battle for the Haitian people.
TPS for Haitian, legalization for all immigrants now.
My name is Ed Shakespeare, and welcome to Built-in Express Special Report. The deportation of Haitian citizens to a storm-battered country continues. News of the 30,000 Haitians ordered to leave the country has sparked outrage among Haitian communities around the U.S.
The only reason we're not getting TPS because we are black. Say it again. It's about time for us to stop that street talk. Reality is reality.
My message to Barack Obama today is for him to give TPS to Haitians and Bahamians.
Now, maintenant. Haitians who have come here to beg for refuge are being deported en masse through masquerades of due process, the de facto equivalent of no due process, by I.C.E, the new immigration enforcement police created by Mr. Bush, and so accurately called ICE, like his heart.
President Rene Preval has formally requested twice in 2008 TPS for his citizens living in the United States. Although temporary protected status has been granted to a few Central American and African countries, his requests were denied by former Homeland Security Secretary Michael Chertoff.
The Secretary for Homeland Security, Michael Chertoff, wrote the following, quote, "After very careful consideration, I have concluded that Haiti does not currently warrant a TPS designation." Of course, Mr. Bush agreed with that.
With the new administration, things have not looked any differently. With 30,000 ordered to leave the country, 95% for non-criminal violation, another 600 in detention, and 240 electronically monitored, not to mention the ones who already left for Canada.
2 of my cousins left for Canada.
My friend T. Blum has been deported, leaving behind his kids who are natural-born citizens of this country. When you leave the kids here by themselves, what will become of them, their future, with no friends or family here? I am a victim of immigration raid. They came in my house at 4 a.m. I was so shocked.
In an effort to force the Obama administration to decide whether to grant Haitian protected status, the Haitian ambassador stopped issuing travel documents that would allow the U.S. to deport Haitian citizens. But despite his effort, the removals of Haitian aboard commercial flights have continued.
Currently, there's only 50 congressmen that are in support of this TPS status, and that they need over 218 congressmen to be able to pass it.
In a letter dated February 25th to lawyers in Florida from Susan Cullen, the Homeland Security Director of Policy said the department intended to continue to coordinate the removal of Haitian nationals to Haiti. But according to CWNN, President Obama's director of the White House Office of Political Affairs, Patrick Gaspard, who is of Haitian descent, has been dispatched to Miami to meet with Haitian leaders. The Gaspard meeting comes, as sources say, a result of Senator Bill Nelson's endorsement of TPS for the Haitian people in a letter sent to Department of Homeland Security Secretary Janet Napolitano. The meeting was said to be largely to gather information on what to do about temporary protected status. But many Haitian leaders look at this as a positive move.
This is a good thing because having somebody from his administration, such as Patrick Gaspard, to come to us in the community and talk about not letting the 30,000 Haitians to go back to their country without knowing where they're going to go, how they're going to go, what they're going to have, no jobs, nothing. The Haitians need to be given the opportunity.
I am now pregnant. My baby's father is not legal. Although I am, I would love for him to be able to stay here so my baby can grow up with a father. What we're hoping for is for them to stop the deportation, even if we can't get TPS now, but at least stop the deportation. President Obama is a very understanding person. He understands everyone, not just black people or immigrants. And he himself mentioned the mistreatment of Haitians. We are counting on him to do something for our sisters and brothers who are suffering.
Will the Haitian people get temporary protected status from the new administration, who fears that TPS would trigger an overwhelming amount of newcomers from the poor nation? If not, what will be the Haitian community's next move? That remains to be seen. I'm Ed Shakespeare for Built-in Express Special Report.